Greetings and salutations, my name is Tish and welcome to the Artist Haven. In this video, I'm going to be doing a Dutch pour using leftover paint as my background. I've got my paints all ready, so let's get down to it. I will list all of the colors used in this video down in the description box below, except for my drip paint, which is accumulation of different colors, and I got this lovely lavender color. So we're going to be using that in a Dutch pour. So let's get our base on, let's get our colors on, and let's do this pour. If you like this video, click on this link. Thank you for joining me today. I appreciate you. Remember, be kind to one another. Peace, love, and happiness.